Alright guys, it's the next morning. We are in Nassau. First we are heading down to get us some breakfast. I think we have to go to the Silver. Yeah, right there. And we'll get back with you guys. It looks like it's a long wait for breakfast today. I guess everybody got up at the same time to try to come. So probably be about a 10-minute wait for us to get our breakfast. Yeah, be about 10-20 minutes. I think it was 4 forward. All right, guys, we are leaving the room and we are heading to Nassau. We're going to see the new port. We got a new place to eat. So we're about to be out for a little while today. All right, guys, we are here at the new port. First time in a couple of years we've been to Nassau. And pretty excited actually to see what the new stuff is. We've been seeing it on other videos and stuff, so we really was wanting to try it for ourselves. It only looks like a couple of ships are in the port. I think about 3 or 4. So hopefully it's not super crowded and we can enjoy the day. We got a new restaurant we're gonna try out. There's 2 of them. We don't know which one we're going to just yet, but we will keep you guys posted. All right, guys, this is the Museum of Junkanoo. Looks pretty nice. I don't think we're going there today. Maybe next time.
Hi guys, so we are in this place called the Gallery and Wine Bar in Nassau in the port area, and they were doing a drink special today where the Bahama Mamas or Goombay Smash were buy one get one free. So we got these. So for both of them it was $19, so $8 a piece, which is not really bad. And then they have some really nice artwork in here. The vibe in here is pretty chill. It's cool in here, so we really like it.
This is your favorite one, right over
Yeah,
there.
this one right here with the, I guess that's like the mom and the kid. I like that one.
Yeah, I'm gonna take y'all around just to kind of see. Nice little wine and bar. Wait staff was pretty nice, pretty cool. It's a nice little spot. To the right, has a lot of shops and stuff. But it's a nice little place to come, and really all we did was just kind of chill and stuff. It's cool, and it's cool in here. We got a lot of the spots outside, but also inside and just a lot of Bahamian artwork, which I do enjoy. Artwork, period. So it's just kind of cool to see this out. We headed back out, guys. I'm gonna get a picture of the door first, though. Pretty cool place. It's the amphitheater, guys. Real nice. I really do like what they done did with the straw market over here at this port and stuff. It's kind of cool. They go to straw market. We'll go over there in a few minutes. Nice little waterfront over here behind the amphitheater. We are near the water, guys. This is actually pretty beautiful. I mean, as you can see, they're gonna sing your frogs. Oh, wait a minute. There we go. And we are thinking about going to this restaurant over the water right here, or to Twin Brothers. And we still haven't made our mind up. But man, they've really done a great job with the port. Do the legendary spin around, port spin around happening right now. Yeah, it's beautiful out here. A lot better than it used to be, for sure.
My name is Rochelle Strong, that's me. Okay? Fish fries a place. That taxi one day, right? Before they came in. See the umbrella?
All right, our taxi person has brought us to a new place. Wine tasting is what we're about to be able to do.
All right, right, guys. Our lovely taxi driver, Rochelle, has brought us here for a free wine tasting. So we're gonna try some stuff out.
When I'm able to. Sweet
Oh man,
Oh, that's good.
that is good.
I know, right? Go give me a shot, so let me get something.
That's the sweet white.
Drink private anyhow. I know I'm on brand.
All right,
Here we
Marcus
go.
is trying the sweet white.
This is the sweet white.
Come to me, sir.
All right, guys, we are here in Nassau, and I wanted to come take a picture in front of these umbrellas since I didn't get my umbrella picture in Puerto Rico. So Marcus is gonna get my picture.
All right, guys, we are pulling up to Twin Brothers. This is where we decided we wanted to come eat. Nice little place over here by the fish fry. Bunch of different places. All right, we're on the inside now, guys. Looks really nice in here. Nice, different than a lot of other places.
No, no, no.
All right, guys, we are at Twin Brothers. Okay. Diddy's down with a concert. We're at Twin Brothers. This is how the menu looks. I already know what I'm getting, which should be the starter shrimp on the key, and I'm gonna get the fish fingers. What you getting?
Everything. I'm getting the lobster burger plain because I don't want none of this stuff that comes on it, and it comes with fries. And then I think I'm gonna try the baked macaroni. And then they have some drinks on here. They have one called the Big O. So we'll see about that.
All right. Taste our order, and then we'll talk to you guys later.
Hi guys. So I have gotten a pineapple daiquiri, and then I got a Jolly Rancher shot and a Big O shot. So once Marcus gets his, we're gonna come back and let you know. Oh, that does taste like a Jolly Rancher.
Jolly Rancher is pretty good. This is the Big O right here. It's a thumbs up for me.
Okay guys, this is the fried shrimp appetizer. And first of all, the shrimp are huge. And they're really good. Like, the breading on it is really good. And you can tell it's fresh. It's so good.
Yeah, some of the best shrimp I've had ever.
Alright guys, so I got the lobster burger.
And I got the fish fingers.
And this lobster burger is huge.
It's huge.
Like,
It's huge.
it's really hot, so I'm gonna give it a minute to cool down before I eat.
Yeah, they cook everything fresh, man. We've noticed that everything that's come out has been hot. So where we had to let it cool down before we actually bit into it and stuff. Which means it's hot and fresh, which is, I think, a very big plus for me. But there, man, we've been really enjoying it, really enjoying the vibe. This is a pretty cool place. When we come back to Nassau, I'm all about coming back here again.
Yeah, definitely.
It's pretty cool. All right, guys. We are coming into the right sun. Just had a wonderful lunch over here at Twin Brothers. Yeah, that was actually pretty good. Probably one of the best places we've eaten at here in the Bahamas. Down here on the fish fry. Guys, this is $12 lemonade, Bahamas. They're great over here. You can check it out when you come to the port. about to get ready to head back in. But just wanted to take some time while we're sitting down and talk about our day in Nassau. You go first.
So our taxi driver took us over by where they make the chocolate Ray Cliff, I think it is. But they have a street that has the umbrella sort of similar to like Puerto Rico and Dominican Republic. And I wanted to get a picture there, so she took us there. Then she took us to this wine factory or whatever. So we have wine samples there. Then we went to Twin Brothers restaurant and had some food there. We went to this little like convenience store to get some stuff for the kids. I'll show you guys.
Yeah, it's a drink that's sold here in
Yeah, it's a soda that is sold here in the Bahamas called Goombay Punch. So we got these for all of our children. And then we came back to the port.
Yeah, it's been pretty good, man. Beautiful day. Beautiful people. Great food. Our taxi driver, she was a trip.
She was
enjoyable, and she was going to come back and pick us up, but she got tied up on another one. So we were about to go with another taxi driver, and he was showing us some stuff. He showed us how to get the punch and everything else, and then she pulled up, and he was good about it.
Yeah.
We made sure we gave him a tip or whatever, but everybody's been pleasant. It's been a great time, and I'm glad. It's been a while since we've been back. We had come here a lot before, so we were like, but the new port, the new stuff, I feel like it was a great time here in Nassau.
Yeah.
Anything else to say?
No, we had a good time. The weather was really nice. It wasn't super hot out here, so we had a good day.
Yeah, so we're about to head in, get a nap in, and then we'll do dinner, and we'll see you guys then. All right, guys, we are back in the room, and we got our first towel animal. What is this thing? Is this an elephant? No, it ain't got the...
No.
I don't know what that thing is.
Is it a bear? I don't know, child.
They made something. All right, guys, we are up from our nap, and we are first going to go to the Alchemy Bar to get a French 75, and then we're heading to dinner. Today is actually elegant night, so we actually got some nice clothes on. I'll make sure I put the pictures in there. Hi guys, we are here at the Alchemy Bar, and I'm getting the Remedy. Dee got the French 120.
125. So apparently, if you get cognac instead of gin, it's called a French 125. So that's what I ordered.
All right, we're going to get these, and then we're going to head down to get some food. I'll probably get a steak today, but I don't know. We'll see.
What?
So I was going to get a steak today, but I don't know.
I don't know what I'm getting.
We'll see when we get there. Alright guys, we are done with dinner, and we're back at the Alchemy Bar, and we have seen a familiar face. Our bartender that was on the contract is here at the Alchemy Bar again. It's kind of crazy how
And he remembered us.
he remembers. We see it in the videos where people are seeing the same people, and we finally have started seeing the same thing. You run into different crew members who are on different ships and stuff. It's pretty cool. Alright guys, it is the next morning, but it's a late morning. I think it's about 10:15. Heading up to get some breakfast. How's it going, guys? I think we're gonna do C-Day brunch, but we're gonna get Dee a burrito from Blue Iguana first, just to make sure. And sometimes it's a hit or miss at C-Day brunch. Alright guys, we are just now getting up. It's been kind of lazy day today on this sea day. I think we're gonna go get Didi some ginger ale and probably stop at the deli to get some food. Then we're just gonna kind of hang. Peace.